In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code records in Airtable, a really handy feature that allows you to visually organize your data for better clarity and efficiency. Whether you're tracking tasks, managing projects, or coordinating events, color coding can help you highlight relevant information at a glance. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Airtable. Once you're in, the next step is to click on an existing base. It's important to remember that Airtable operates using bases, which are like individual files or spreadsheets containing all your data. Selecting a base that you're already working on means we'll be applying our color coding to a set of records that you're familiar with. Now that we have our base open, navigate to the particular view where you'd like to implement color coding. Views in Airtable allow you to look at your data from different perspectives, and choosing the right one is crucial because that's where the color coding will be applied, making it easier to interpret data relevant to that specific view. Once you're in the right view, direct your attention to the top right part of the screen, and there you'll find the Color tab. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you to the settings, where we can begin customizing the appearance of our records based on either fields or conditions. You'll be presented with two main options: Select Field or Conditioning. If you choose Select Field, you're essentially allowing Airtable to automatically apply colors based on the content of a specific field. This is especially useful when working with categories, priorities, or any repetitive data points that could benefit from visual differentiation. On the other hand, Conditioning allows you to set specific criteria for when a color should be applied. This is more versatile if your visual distinction depends on more complex conditions. In the Select Field option, you have the freedom to modify the colors according to your preferences. You get to choose which colors are associated with which field values, allowing you to create a personalized and intuitive visual scheme. This is your opportunity to enhance your visual coding tools to fit the unique needs of your workflow. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the conditional coloring panel by clicking on Add a Condition. This is where the magic happens if you want to create a dynamic rule-based system for your data visuals. Here, you can specify the conditions under which a particular color should be activated, such as a record reaching a certain deadline, having a specific status, or meeting any other criteria you set. And there you have it, a fully color-coded view in Airtable, tailored to help you highlight what matters most. This straightforward yet powerful feature can significantly enhance your productivity by making complex datasets much easier to navigate at a glance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.